Hey guys, welcome back to another math tutorial. Today we're looking at rational equations, how to solve them when you have rational terms mixed with constants so that you could go ahead and isolate the variable and solve for its value. So we're going to start right here with example number 1 to the left. I have a rational equation right here and one right here. Two different sides of the equation, so I'm going to go ahead and collect those on one side. So I'm going to carry this over here. Therefore, this negative will become positive, and I'm going to bring this constant over to the right hand side, and this will become positive. Rewriting it, it will look like x plus, because it changed, equal to positive 3. Alright, now on the left hand side, both of my rational terms have the same denominator, x minus 9. Therefore, we could go ahead and add our numerators together. So x plus 5 will just be x plus 5 all over x minus 9 equal to 3. Now this 3 is technically 3 over 1. So now we have what's called a proportion. Therefore, we could cross multiply, aka the butterfly method. Alright, so 1 times x plus 5 will just be x plus 5 because 1 times anything is itself. And then 3 times x minus 9, we have some distribution to do right here. So x plus 5 will be equal to 3 times x, that's 3x. 3 times negative 9, that is negative 27. So now we have to bring that 3x over to the left hand side, which will make it become negative. So x minus 3x equal to, I'm going to bring this 5 over to the right hand side, which will make it negative. So it will become negative 27, which was already there, minus 5. Now we're going to simplify. X minus 3x, that's negative 2x. Negative 27 minus 5, that would be a bigger negative, negative 32. Now I'm going to divide both sides by this negative 2 so that I could isolate the x. Alright, x is equal to negative 32 divided by negative 2, positive 16. Alright, therefore answer will be 16. The last thing you want to do is to check to make sure your answer is not extraneous, which is just mentally plugging in your answer into your equation. Alright, now we're going to look at example number 2, which is similar to the first one, just this time we have different terms. Alright, so again, I'm going to bring my rational terms to one side of the equation. Alright, and when I bring this over, it will change from a negative to a positive. And then I'm going to bring this constant 3 over to the right hand side, and this positive will become negative. Therefore, it will look like 1 over on the left hand side, both of our rational have the same denominator, therefore we can add our numerators. So this will become 1 plus 4x over x plus 9. Now negative 3 is a whole number, so technically it's over 1. So now we could do our cross multiplication, butterfly method, however you know it as. So 1 times 1 plus 4x is just 1 plus 4x. And then we have some distribution to do here. So x times negative 3x. 9 times negative 3, negative 27. Collect my line terms on one side. Therefore, I'm going to bring this negative 3x over to the other side, which will make it become positive. So 4x plus 3x. And I'm going to bring this positive one over to the right hand side, which will make it negative. So negative 27 minus 1. 7x is equal to negative 28. Alright, so now last thing we need to do is divide by 7, so we can isolate that x. Therefore, x is equal to negative 4. Alright. And again, you want to go ahead and check that your answer is not extraneous, which is just plugging your answer into the equation, simplifying and making sure you have a true statement. All right, the last example, number 3. All right, again, collecting our rational terms to one side of the equation. It was positive over here, so when it comes over, it becomes negative. And this 1 right here, I'm bringing to the right hand side, so when it comes over, it's going to change to a positive. Alright, my denominators are the same, so we can add the numerators. Alright, 1 is the same thing as 1 over 1, so now we could cross multiply. So negative 8 minus x. Alright, I'm going to bring this x over to the right hand side, which would make it be negative. So negative x that was already there, and a negative x equal to, we're going to bring this negative 8 over here, which would become positive. So I already had a negative 8 plus the 8. Alright. Negative x minus x, that's negative 2x, because you got 2 negative x's, equal to negative 8 plus 8, that's 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 because 0 is the only number you can multiply negative 2 by to get 0. Alright, and again, you want to go ahead and plug that into your original equation just to make sure you don't have an extraneous solution. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Today we did rational equations, how to solve those. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section what you'd like to see next.